recap. This is the second video in assembling your counterweight. The other one ran long. I hope this is where I was at. It was somewhere like this where I was left putting this second axle through. So constrain, and then do insert, touch. It doesn't actually matter which circle, up to like that circle, for instance. And then instead of doing the math, I'm just going to look at this from above, and I'm going to offset it till it's about right, which I think is about -2. Yours, it might be positive. It just depends which circles you touched up each other. So hit apply. And then these should not move. Like this one should not move like that. I've had the hardest time constraining this. I actually had to redo this video twice. Let me know if this doesn't work. This is you think you could do an insert and insert this rod through here. That doesn't work most of the time. You think you could make this flush to that. A lot of times that doesn't work. What just worked for me before recording was I made this flush with that. And good. It finally worked. So if you get an error on that, let me know. It's a common problem, and I'll be understanding of that. I know about that. And then lastly, you want to put your counterweight on. So again, constraint, and do an insert and touch that up against there, for instance. It's way off, so instead of doing the math, once again, I'm going to look from above, and it's probably going to be, yep, it's a negative offset. Yours might be positive. That's pretty good. All right, and everything, you want to check occasionally and make sure everything's moving okay. Look at that. That's the only thing moving. That's perfect. It looks just like it would work in the real world. Pretty cool, huh? And you can also make this, ooh, cool. All right, let me know if you need more help.